Pollinators can be a number of different species, including insects and animals. One of the most common ones are bees and also butterflies. But pollinators play a critical role in the ecosystem environments, and basically one of the most common things they do is fertilization. People need to understand how critical a small bee or a butterfly or even some small mammals play in our day-to-day food that we eat. You know, without pollinators, without that fertilization process of transferring pollen, from one plant to another and creating seeds and creating basically, food in a lot of instances, we would not be able to eat the way that we do currently today. So, I think getting that information out to the community and the public that we serve can understand how critical that they play in the ecosystems. I think that's one of the things that, I'm happy to be a part of with the Shoreline Recreation Group. Within the Shoreline Recreation Group, we've got around 3,500 acres of land around the state that we're responsible for managing. And one of the things that we took an active role in was creating pollinator plots around our public recreation sites, like the one you see behind me here at Double Cove Park on Logan Martin Lake. And I think anytime that we can create a natural environment for something that's critical like pollinators to thrive in is something that I think is very important, and it plays directly into something that's important for Alabama Power, which is being a very big steward of the environment. But we've got plots, I believe, at 7 sites. So each plot or each site that has a plot, they're usually strategically placed along either one of our hiking trails or within the park, like you see here at Double Cove Park. So we've got, for those 7 sites, I believe there's 11 pollinator plots. So for any more information about the preserves, Alabama Power's public recreation sites, you can visit apcshorelines.com on the internet, or you can download our app, the Shorelines app. You can just search it, and that'd be a great way to get a lot of more information in relation to our pollinator plots or a number of our 74 public recreation sites around the state.